Hello, and welcome to this tutorial explaining how SESAR Communications Backup works, and why this solution is essential for centralizing and securing your business communications. Why is SESAR essential? Did you know that secure emails sent via secure exchanges are automatically destroyed after a maximum of 30 days? This measure reinforces the protection of your confidential information by limiting its exposure, both in your outbox and in that of your recipient. But how can you guarantee the compliance and preservation of your exchanges without compromising their security? That's where SESAR comes in. It acts like a digital safe, automatically backing up all your secure communications directly on your server. How does SESAR back up your communications? When a user in your organization sends an email via secure exchanges, SESAR is automatically copied. The email is encrypted with your private PKCS key, 4096 bits, and sent to SESAR. SESAR uses this key to decrypt and save a complete copy of the communication, including attachments, messages, signatures, and envelope returns. Once the copy has been saved, SESAR applies 256-bit AES encryption to guarantee the security of the stored data. Thanks to this process, your communications are securely centralized and tracked. All your organization's communications via secure exchanges are centralized locally in the SESAR folder on your dedicated server. This guarantees complete traceability of exchanges and efficient management of sensitive data. What's more, SESAR automatically updates and synchronizes the exchanges of all new users added to your secure exchanges account, without any manual intervention. Who has access to saved communications? The administrator of the server where SESAR is installed has full access to all the organization's encrypted communications. To read the contents, they must follow our decryption procedure. Users, on the other hand, can only view and retrieve their own exchanges via their logs. To sum up, here's why SESAR is important. Compliance and regulation. SESAR helps you meet regulatory needs by offering a complete backup copy of your shipments. Data protection. Your communications remain secure and accessible when needed. Traceability. In the event of a dispute or audit, you can easily prove that a document or message was sent. SESAR is your key solution for safeguarding your secure communications. Thanks to its automation and centralization, you can be sure of keeping a reliable, accessible record of all your exchanges. It couldn't be simpler. Secure exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.